Okay, Kayla, can you open up your present from Papa and Gina? What is it?
Take the cloth off, Chloe.
Take it off, Sissy.
It's a house! Yeah, it has a baby and a mommy and daddy. And even a little table. And a baby chair. Do you want to put them in? Yeah. Okay.
What do you think, Sissy? Do you like it?
Can I put the baby in his baby seat? What do you want the mom? What are you calling the baby? What's his name? Kayla.
Kayla.
Can't be Kayla.
Sure it can. Hey, Kayla, can you look in the mirror and say, can you look at the camera? Look at the camera and say, thank you, Papa.
Thank you, Papa.
Look at the camera. Can you say, I love you?
Hello.
Say, happy birthday to me.
Birthday.
Yay.
Hey, Kayla, what are you naming the baby? Is it gonna
Here it is.
Bubbles?
My first dollhouse for Kayla.
Hey, Mom.
Thank you, Dad.
Can you put him